Hello everybody and welcome back to another Petersen pit stop. My name is Patrick and before me is one of the most famous vehicles in our collection, the 24 karat gold plated DMC-12 DeLorean. Let's get into it.
See me at the top, tick tock, doing what I do, call shots, better make it quick, tick tock, ask me what the diff, I'm rich, you not, ayy, I got the jewels and the crown and the loot, booty thick, when I sit, better scoop, whole lot of bills in the bag, they blue, whole lot of O's in the bay, like, woo.
Yep, you heard me correctly, this entire DeLorean is covered in 24 karat gold plating. Not the entire thing, the wheels are painted gold, the front bumper is painted gold, the rear bumper is painted gold. I don't know about the exhaust tips, but they're shiny gold, but I can't say they're gold plated. But the whole car is, trust me, it's insane. We have to be very careful of this car because the oils in our skin will react with the pure 24 karat gold. If you look at the body of the car, you'll see some ancient fingerprints. Who knows how long they've been there? Since the 80s, since yesterday, we'll never know, but they'll be there forever. So the reason as to why this vehicle is gold plated is because American Express wanted to promote their gold card. So who else did it partner up with in the most hot car in pop culture? The DeLorean Motor Company. There's a sweepstakes attached. If you sign up for the gold card, you'd be entered to win one of these 24 karat gold plated DeLoreans. And they got signups on signups on signups. They said they're going to make 100 of these vehicles to give away, but they only ended up making 3 of them. In order to promote this insane sweepstakes of winning this 24 karat plated DeLorean, the cars were paraded across the entire country. This one right here is spending a lot of time in a Texas bank until it's collected by private hands and donated to us a couple decades ago, where it's been in our care ever since. The whole car is plated in gold, minus the parts that we talked about earlier, but the interior itself, it's an automatic, and it's rather plain in there, just like a standard DeLorean would be. And fun fact about these cars, they were meant to be display-only pieces. This car has never once been turned over, as intended by the original manufacturer. That's right. People tell us we need to drive our cars more, but we literally cannot drive this one because it was never equipped with the ability to drive. Hence why it's never been turned over. There's a motor in there, but it was never primed to drive. Now, if you've ever been to the vault, you notice that this is one of our most popular attractions. It's the only vehicle we have down there that has stanchions in front of it. That's because we can't have you guys touching it, especially this vehicle. Because, like we said before, the oils in your hands can't touch the car.
I'm in the castle, I'm up on my throne, I share the wealth, but I rule alone, good to my queendom, but bad to the bone, top of the peak of the rock, and they know I'm the Empress, call me Empress, call me Empress, call me Empress.
So there you have it, 24 karat gold DeLorean. Let us know what you thought of this video, and let us know in the comments down below what other vehicles you'd like us to cover in a future pit stop episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a good rest of your day, everybody.
Call me Empress.